Good evening, all. I welcome all the participants for the first clinical series in I Ask Ayush Zixa Learning Series. Today, being the first series, we are having the most efficient Vaidya to share his clinical experience, and he will continue to share his clinical experience every month for 3 days in various specialities in Ayurveda. நோய் நாடி நோய் முதல் நாடி அது தணிக்கும் வாய் நாடி வாய்ப்பச் செயல். This is a famous quote from the poet Thiruvalluvar from Tirukkural. He says, what is the disease? What is the root cause of the disease? And what is the cure for the disease? And the speaker today, Dr. L. Mahadevan sir, actually researches every disease in this way. So he is the most apt person for this quote. He is a skillful academician. He is a skillful academician with outstanding clinical wisdom, who with his still prevailing ancient Gurukula system of teaching, teaches our ancient medial system of Ayurveda in depth. And he also integrates it with the modern medical system. And he has empowered our Ayurveda community to a very large extent. His Gurukula has a unique guna-based theory curriculum, so that the students after finishing BAMS, when joining his Gurukula, has a wide extent of knowledge. And even I, as a student, when I finished my BAMS, was aiming to go to Sri Sharada Hospital to have the guidance under Dr. Mahadevan sir. But I was trying, but I didn't get the opportunity to work under him. But now I feel I'm very proud to host this show under I Ask Ayush, and I Ask Ayush has given this opportunity to share, to be with sir and to learn from him. So he offers direct guidance to the students community, and he stands as a good friend, philosopher and guide. He also conducts various teaching programs, thereby imparting knowledge to our holistic ancient medical system and philosophy. He has been a very much part of the venture of taking Ayurveda to the global level. Apart from all these credits, he is a godly doctor for the poor people who get free food, treatment and investigations through his Ayurvedic and Educational Charitable Trust. Dr. L. Mahadevan sir has his hospital under the name Dr. L. Mahadeva IS Sri Sharada Ayurvedic and Educational Charitable Trust. It is in the Risinam Cove, Kanyakumari, Nagarkoil. I heartily welcome sir to share his ocean of knowledge with us in I Ask Ayush platform. And I humbly congratulate on behalf of Team I Ask Ayush for commemoration of his PhD degree. And I am much obliged and proud to say, after his PhD degree, this is the first clinical session to be done under I Ask Ayush Zixa series, and I feel very happy and pleased to say this. We are eagerly awaiting to hear sir's speech, so we are having a very short inaugural session and to learn from him about his experience. Pranam sir, I invite Dr. Sindhu to give a brief introduction about Dr. L. Mahadevan sir.
Atiti Devo Bhava. Good evening, one and all. I extend my warm welcome to all dignitaries, guests, and delegates present here for the first day of continuous series of classes conducted by I Ask Ayush on topics Principles and Practice of Bhakti under Zixa Ayurveda. Let us start the session with a small prayer. Yadevi Sarvabhuteshu Matri Rupena Sanchita Namaste 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 Namaste. The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. Willingness to learn is a choice. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from us. We feel honored to have the physician who have profound knowledge of the science and its aims. Your journey of Ridoshi wisdom leads us to understand the principle of our science in a better way. Your classes are likely literally reading your books. I'm profusely elated to take an opportunity to introduce a phenomenal figure of Ayurveda. You hardly need any introduction. Dr. L. Mahadevan Completed his BAMS from Sri Venkatramana Ayurveda College, Chennai. Completed his post-graduation MD Kayachikitsa from Government Ayurveda College, Thiruvananthapuram with high academic credentials. Recently, Sir also completed his PhD. Heartily wishes and very proud that your first session as PhD scholar today. He is working as Associate Professor, Department of Kayachikitsa and Postgraduate Studies, Pangadisri Ayurveda College, Kili, Kattakara, Kerala. He has his practice in Vietnam, Kanyakumari and in Chennai. He serves the community through Sharada Mahadeva Iyer Ayurvedic Educational and Charitable Trust. He teaches clinical medicine in a unique nature to Ayurvedic students through his Gurukula system of education and trained more than 1,000 students all over the world of 17 countries. He has published 72 books on Ayurveda and Siddha. He has written 43 books in Tamil and 29 books in English. He has received the Best Doctor Award from Dr. MGM Medical University, Chennai, the Best Writer Award of the year 2011 from Government of Tamil Nadu. He received National Award, Best Scientific Writing Award of his book, Dr. L. Mahadevan's Guide to Ayurvedic Clinical Practice from RABCCRAS, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. He also received Acharya Award from CCIM New Delhi. We are most delightfully welcoming you to enlighten us on clinical insights on principles and practice of Vasti. Over to you, sir.
Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am honored and extremely happy to be associated with IAS Ayurveda. I am touched and moved by the love and affection. I received from Dr. Ilanjelian, and I thank Dr. Hema Subhashini for the wonderful, kind introduction. I have been observing her notes, classes and all. She is doing a good work. I am very happy to see her today. Thanks for nice introduction given by the girl. We are planning to have series of clinical classes. I will continue to teach you in a regular schedule. Today we are going to talk about Vasti. Sharirajanam doshanam kramena paramaushadam. Vastir virego vamanam tadatairam girdam madhu. So three doshas, Vada, Pitta and Kapha are the Shakti Rupa Dravyas. They are the functional units of living beings. You should be able to visualize, see the whole Jagat as the manifestation of Vada, Pitta, Kapha. The Rishi, Devata, Chantas, observer observed and the process of observation. Brahma, Vishnu, Shivan, Ichha Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Jnana Shakti, all are nothing but the various cosmic energies of various gradient of Vada, Pitta, Kapha. When we see the Vasti chapter in Ashtanga Sangraham, we see this word, Srishti Sthiti Pralayana Hedu. Srishti Sthiti Pralaya. That is Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Vada, Pitta, Kapha. Pralayana Hedu. Vada. So, I can tell like this. When you give medicine for Vamanam, Vamanam will happen. Once you give medicines for Virejanam, Virejanam will happen. Once you give medicine for Vasti, I cannot tell Vasti will happen. Sneghadinam karmanam Vasti karmaha pradanyam kim. Aneka guna karmatvad. multi-dimensional utility. Swasti. Swasti is useful in Vada, Pitta, Kapha, Rakta, Sasyate, Samsarge, Sannibade, Vastireva Gidasada. Vasti is always useful in Vada, Pitta, and Kapha. Svedam is Samala, which is eliminated, Pittam is eliminated through Sveda. Kapham and Pittam are eliminated through Mutra. Vadam, Pittam, Kapham are eliminated through motion. 1, 2, and 3. That is why Virejanam is Yagashodhana. In Siddha tradition, they give lot of importance to Virejanam. Agasthyar Kuzhambu, Nagadanti Prayogam and all. Because Vadam, Pittam, Kapham are eliminated. So Virejanam is unique. But once you give to Virejanam, it is an Avadarpana Kriya. Vamanam is an Avadarpana Kriya. Vamana Kapham Kaphapittam. Virejana Pittam Pitta Kapham Vadam. But Vasti Aneka Guna Karmatwadi. If you want to Shodhanam, Shodhana Vasti, Shamana Vasti, Utkleshana Vasti, you name anything. If you read, go to naturopathic treatment in America and all, they give coffee Vasti. Coffee. So many things. One fellow brought Shavanaprasam biscuit. Shavanaprasam, prasam has to be taken as a food in Vadarakta, in Bhargava Rasayanam. At the end, you have to take as a food. Shavana took as a food, so it was made by Ashwini Kumaras. As Shavana took that, it is called Shavanaprasam. Shavana did not invent it. Actually, in a tantric sense, Shavana means ejaculation. So Shivana wanted to marry Suganya. All these stories are there. Stories kundum panjamille. So the Shavanaprasam biscuit, I told him next time don't bring Shavanaprasam aftershave loaded. So if you make Ayurveda like this, so many things people are making, so many things. No, that's why I am giving classes. What is not Ayurveda? What is not possible through Ayurveda? These two lectures I always give. Those who are following me continuously would have heard this. Vasti is useful in all 8 branches of Ayurveda. Kaya, Bala, Graha, Urdhvanga. Balam includes 3 rogam also. Graham, all psychiatric problem. When I did research in the Graha Chikitsa, most of the diseases are seizures, demyelination, motor neuropathy, learning disability disorders, all Balagrahas. It is the ideal treatment for Vada. Mulachedena vrikshavat. It is like cutting a tree at its root. It is a treatment for Vada. Pakvasayam is Vada sthana. Pakvasaya kadi satvini padasti strotra sparshananja Vada sthanani. Tatra pakvasayo visheshena. Pakvasayam, Kadi, Sakti, Sparshanam, maximum area covered by skin, Padam, except Srotra, except ear, most of the organs are below navel. That is why Vada is below navel. It is the direct treatment of Vada in its seat. It is like beating Pakistani cricket team in Pakistan. It is Ardha Chikitsa. Half the treatment, Ardha Chikitsa. Virejanam is Ardha Chikitsa for Shalya people. Rasravedam, Vidishondidiyam. Kashyapa says it is Sarva Chikitsa. When my Guru Dr. B. Vaidyanathan sir was there in Tanjavur Saraswati Mahal in 50s, He took the manuscript of Kashyapa and he edited it. Only because of his hard work, now the manuscript is available. Dr. Premavati Tiwari ji has commented. Sir only brought the manuscript from palm leaves documents into handwritten document. I know, Sir was telling to me. The first chapter, the original manuscript, the chapter starts with the 18th chapter. Kilam. Kilasthanam is there. So many things are unique contributions of Kashyapa. If you take Avabhidaka Sneham, Kashyapa only elaborates it. Avabhidaka Sneham. So it is, he call him Sampurna Chikitsa. It has got multi-dimensional utility. Snehanam, Snegavasti, Brahmanam, Brahmanavasti, Utkleshanam, Utkleshanavasti, Shodhanam, Shodhanavasti, Pichilagunam, Pichavasti, Grahivasti, Takravasti, Takravasti. In Gragani there is Takravasti. In Roga Bishadjidiyam Adhyayam, in Skandam, Vasti Skandam, Takram and Mastu are mentioned. Takravasti. Takram is very unique. There are certain things which are unique in Ayurveda. The yoni. From Dadi you get Gridam. Gridam is Snigdam. Then you get Takram. Takram is Ruksham. Takram becomes the antidote for Gridam. So, excess Gridam, fatty liver, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It is a self-created Sneha Vyabhat. And what are all the things that are told for Adhiyogam of Snehana, like Kodravam, Shamagam, Trifala, Shilajat, Gomutram, all these things, Takram, Arishtam, Guggulu, Shilajat, all these things are the treatment for fatty liver. So, one yoni, two gunas, Snigdha and Ruksha. Tilam is the yoni, Tailam is Snigdha, Punyagam is Ruksha, Punyagam is the Dravya antidote for Taila. Yel Nei. Yennai. Tamil irukku. Yennai. Yennai, yennai. Tamil la nariya irukku. Evlo vishayangal irukku. Italy. Ittu avi. Adha Italy achu. Agathi keerai. Agathiyai tanikkum keerai. Vallarai. Vallarai vella. Vallarai unga. Cheeragam, Agathai cheer cheyum, Vengayam, Chukkanal, Vendayathal, Avadanna, Ingar, Sumandurupar, Icharake, Kalamehapuravar. Now, Kapachedanam, Vadanulomanam are produced by Vasti. Many people think passing motion is Anulomana. They are wrong. That is Anulomanam, Sramsanam, Vedanam, Rejanam are the 4 types of Virejana told by Sarangadhara based on the time taken for producing Virejana and the site of action. Anulomana 12 hours, Sramsana 8 hours, Anulomanam, Sramsanam, Vedanam 6 hours, Rejanam 4 hours. So that which act on large intestine, lower part of small intestine, upper part of small intestine, whole GI tract. This is how the classification is made. The examples are wrong in Sarangadhara Samhita because Trivruti is Sukha Virejana Sreshtam, which is told as a Uttama Virejana. Of course, there are views for that. But in hemiplegia, Madhyama Roga Margam, Hridayam Basti Shiras Nai Saragandaraga, Asti Sendischevi, Madhyama Roga Marga. Thiryak Gadi. What is Thiryak Gadi? Shodhana Margam Paridyajya. That which goes away from the Shodhana Marga. That produces Madhyama Roga Margam. So in hemiplegia, you have Virejanam, Pakshagade Virejanam, Tamagetu Virejanam, Pradilomam Yadavayugu, Srodamsi Pradipradyade, Grivam Shirasya Samgrihya, Sreshmanaha Samudiriyate, Karodi Pinasam Dene, Ruddo Gurkuragundada. So Virejanam is there. Why Virejanam is told? What is the scientific rationale behind the Virejanam we will see in the upcoming classes. So Vada Pragobam has taken place with Pitta and Kapha in Pakvasaya. Vasti is the treatment. Pancha Shodhana and Pancha Karma are different. Ashtanga Sankara very clearly mentions that. So whenever you want to do Deepana, Pachana, Deepanam, Agni Deepanam, Pachanam, Amapachanam, Malapachanam. Agni Deepanam can be Snegam. Gridam is Snegam. A Deepanam can be Snegam or Ruksham. Gridam is Snegam, Deepanam. Snegameva Param Vidya Durbala Anala Deepanam. Vyadi Muktasya Mandadru Sarpirevadu Deepanam. So Pachanam is Ruksha. Pachanam cannot be Snega because Ama is Snigdha. Opposite of Ama is Pachana. Pachana is Ruksha. So in Pachanam you have two Pachanam. Tikta Pachanam, Kadu Pachanam. Tikta Pachanam, Guduji, Kadu Pachanam, Tippali, Panchagola, Shunti, Marichi, Trikadu, Gomutra, etc. So in Tamakaswasam we will be selecting Kadu Pachanam. In Kushtarogam we will be selecting Tikta Pachanam. Now coming to this Deepanam, Pajanam, Sneganam, Swedanam, Vamanam, Virejanam, Vasti, Samsarjanam, Prayadikramam, Raktamokshanam, Sattvavadayam, Daiva Vivasaraya Chikitsa. All the fundamentals are told in Jwara Chikitsa. That is why Jwaram we take again and again. Now also in COVID we talk about Jwara, Vada Kapha Jwara, Kapha Vada Jwara, Pitta Anubandha Kapha Jwara. All these things we are talking because Jwaram is whole and complete. You learn Jwara Chikitsa not to learn Jwara, but to treat Jwara and other diseases. So, coming to this point, Avastha also Jwaram very important. Ama Avastha, Paschimana Avastha, Pakva Avastha, Uttana Avastha, Gambhira Avastha, Ashikari Avastha, Chirakari Avastha, Antarvega Avastha, Bhagirvega Avastha, Sharira Avastha, Manasa Avastha, Prakrita Avastha, Vigrida Avastha, Prakriti Avastha, Vigridi Avastha, Sayap Avastha, Prabhav Avastha, Prashamana Avastha, Lina Avastha. All the Avasthas, 14 Avasthas are told in only one disease, that is Jwara. So it is very beautiful to talk about Jwara always. How to give Vasti, how to give Snehana, Vada Vittottare Kafe Mande. Whether you want to give Snegavanam in Pandu, whether you want to give Snegavanam in Unmadam, whether you want to give Snegavanam in Gragani, Vada Vitta Vriddhi, Kabakshaya, Normal Agni is the standard protocol. This standard protocol is not told in Pandu. Pandu, how will you give Snegavana? Pandu is told in Rasadadu. In Rasadadu Agni Mandhyam, when there is Kapha Utkrishtam, you get Pandu. In Kaphanubandham, Gridam is contraindicated. That is Prakriti Sama Samavayam, Vigridi Vishama Samavayam, Vijitra Pratyarabdam is there. So Prakriti Sama Samavayam, it is understood. The Prakriti Sama Samavaya Sutram is told from Jwara Chikitsa, that is Vada Vittottare Kafe Mande. So the Vada Pragobam takes place with Pitta and Kapha. In Pakvasaya, Vasti is the treatment. It is used in Shaga Gada, Tiryak Gada, Koshta Gada Rogas. It can be given in Amavastha also. Vaidarana Vasti and Shara Vasti can be given in Amavada. When there is joint swelling, when Snega increases the pain, Sneghadyai Vriddhi Mapnodi, Surya Medadaya Nishi, Vicharet Yugavassabi, Girnado Kubisho Brisham, then you will be doing Vasti, Amudottaram Kashayam, Panchagola Churnam, Ruksha Svedam, Kubil Mula Kashaya Dara, Ksharavasti. That is the protocol you will be seeing in Amavada. Whether it is rheumatoid or rheumatic is immaterial. Ama is the Avastha. Avastham Prapya Nirdishtam. Pushtinam Vasti Karmaja. Kushta Vasti is contraindicated. Kushta Vasti is contraindicated. But when Avasthas are demanding, you can do Vasti. even in Kushta. That is why in Charakam Siddhi, Panchadikta Vasti is told. In Panchadikta Vasti, Rasana comes. How Kadudikta Rasa comes in the Rasa, in the Panchadikta Vasti, we will see later. No oral application. One fellow asked, Sir, one fellow asked his guru, Sir, why do honey is mixed in Vamana Dravya? Teacher told, you see, teacher didn't study well, I think. And the teacher told the Vamana Dravyas are highly bitter in taste, Bangara Kasap. Adu Marathakagam, in order to avoid the bitterness, honey is added in the Vamana Dravya. Then Sishya asked, why do they add honey in Basti? The Guru is gone. Because Guru did not know. The answer is Kafachedanam Vilayanam. But in modern medicine, why honey is added and salt is added? Honey and salt. Salt gives sodium and potassium. Honey gives sugar. The electrolyte imbalance is prevented by Makshigam Lavanam. So the Makshigam Mangalam Kashyapa says. So first Makshigam is pure, then Lavanam is pure. So Sariradanam Doshanam Kramena Paramaushadam Vastir Virego Vamanam Tada Tailam Vadakafam Tailam Kridam Vadapittam Kridam Kafapittam Madhu. Kafam is Snigdam, Pittam is Snigdam, Madhu is Ruksha. So Madhu is contraindicated in Vada because it is Kashaya Rasa and Ruksha. But in Basti, we add this because Kafa Avaranam, Kafanuvandavadam is very important now in the era. Most of the diseases, what we see are Vada Kafa or Kafa Vada in nature. For Vada, we have Madhura Rasam, Amla Rasam, Lavana Rasam. For Pitta, we have Tikta Rasam, Kashaya Rasam, Madhura Rasam. For Kafa, we have Kadu Rasam, Tikta Rasam, Kashaya Rasam. Kevala Vittam, Tiktam, Kafanavanda Vittam, Kashayam, Vadanavanda Vittam, Madhuram. Kevala Vittam, Jaram, Guduchiadi, Kafanavanda Vittam, Vicharchika, Arakvadadi, Vadanavanda Vittam, Brahmam, Madhurarasam, Drakshadi, Mridivigadi. So Vada Kafam and Kafavadam are different. Vada Vittam is different, Pitta Vadam is different, Pitta Kafam is different, Kafa Vittam is different, Vada Kafam is different, Kafavadam is different. Vada Vittam, gastritis, Pitta Vadam, vertigo, Pitta Kafam, herpes zoster, Kafa Vittam, eczema, Vada Kafam, stroke, Kafavadam, bronchial asthma, Vada Vittam, Vidaryadi, Pitta Vadam, Drakshadi, Pitta Kafam, Guduchiadi, Kafa Vittam, Arakvodadi, Vada Kafam, Ashtavargam, Bhadradarvadi, Rasonadi, Gandharvastadi, Chiravilvadi, Dhanananayanadi, Kafavadam, Dasamulagatraya. So this avastha has to be understood. Why I am telling, why honey is included in Vasti Dravya? Because the Kafanubandha Vadam, the main seat is the Pakvasya, that is why Gulmam, Hirnabhiyor Andargrandhihi. All the medicines told in Gulma are Vada Kafakara in nature. Ushnavirya, that is why Churnam and Arishta play a major role in the Gulma Chikitsa. That is why Gulmam contains maximum Churnam. Ashta Churnam, Hingavajadi, Chardulam, Narajam, Bhaskara Churnam, Kabushadi Churnam, Nilini Churnam, all these Huda Bhugadi Churnam, Indu Pugana Churnam, Kana means Shanam. Shanam means 3.25 grams. Indu Puganam, Ayamodam, Rendiganam, Kanam na udane Kollu Kulattam Nartham Gade. Shanam Nartham, 3.25 grams Nartham. So in Gulma Chikitsa, that is why if the Gulma means above Nabi, Snegavanam, Gulma means below Nabi, Snegavasti. That is likewise Vaishwanara Churnam. When Vada Kafam is above Nabi, Hingavajadi. When Vada Kafam is below Nabi, Vaishwanara. Haridagi is Anulomanam, so Ado Nabi. Hingavajadi, Tripadu, Trikaduni. Padu means Lavanam. अम्लेन सह संयुक्तः सतीक्ष्णलवणो रसः माधुर्यं भजते अत्यर्थं तीक्ष्णभावं विमुञ्जति. Susruta says. So honey has to be added and tailam has to be added. We will see one by one what is the reason for that. Unparalleled pharmacokinetics and choice. So many vastis are available. You can make your own vasti. In renal failure, I give Amrudotaram Kashayam with Shadadaranam 600 ml vasti. It is called Rukshavasti. Rukshavasti is told in Charaka Samhita Siddhisthanam 10th chapter Chakravani commentary. Rukshavasti, Takravasti, unparalleled pharmacokinetics and choice. Immunosuppressive and immunomodulatory. You have two things. Vyadi Utpadaka Pradibandhagatvam. Vyadi Bala Virodhitvam. Vyadi Utpadaka Pradibandhagatvam is preventive. Vyadi Bala Virodhitvam is curative. In COVID, if you take Shevanaprasam, that is Vyadi Utpadaka Pradibandhagatvam. If you take Daru Nagaradi or Indugandham, Indugandham is not very effective. Indugandham or Pajanamridam, that is Vyadi Bala Virodhitvam. So Vyadi Utpadaka Pradibandhagatvam is immunomodulatory. Immunomodulatory anybody can take. Triphala anybody can take. Kshiram anybody can take. Gridam anybody can take. Gajamansam, those who are non-vegetarian can take. Gangodagam you can take. Padolam you can take. Dadima you can take. Draksha you can take. But immunosuppressive, Vyadibala Virodhitvam, Tuvaragam you cannot take. Chitragam you cannot take. Balladagam you cannot take. Langali you cannot take. Vardhamana Vipali you cannot take. Vipali cannot be taken more than 15 days. Do you know why? If you take it more than 15 days, you will get metabolic acidosis. To prevent the metabolic acidosis, they have given it with Kimsugapatra Kshara and sheep milk. Both are alkaline in nature. Our acharyas having big brain. Thailam is acidic in nature. Yusham is alkaline in nature. That is why for Thaila Snegabana, Yusha Anubanam is told. If you give Thaila Snegabana and Ushna Jala Anubana, you are gone. So it is useful in infectious diseases, krimi. All the Panchakarmas are told. Now modern medicine handles krimi easily. Immunological, Ojas, Balam Trividam, Vada Balam, Pitta Balam, Kapha Balam. Balam Tassehi, Vidbalam, Vada Balam, Rajayakshma, Agni Mule, Balam Pumsad, Pitta Balam, Gragani, Pragradast Balam, Sleshma, that is Kapha Balam, that is Pramegam. Autoimmune, Dadu Pagam is autoimmune. Autoimmunity is told in Bhava Prakasa elaborately. Dadu Vriddhi, Dadu Kshayam, Dadu Dushti, Dadu Pagam, Dadu Shaidilyam, Dadu Asamagatvam, Dadu Sthiratvam. These are all the various Dadu pathology documented in Ayurvedic science. Dadu Vriddhi, you know, if we go on elaborating. So, Dadu Vriddhi, obesity, you have Surasadi Gana Vriddhi. Dadu Kshayam, you have Kshiravasti. Dadu Pagam, you have Guduchiyadi Vasti. Dadu Dushti, Vriddhikshayatmagaha, you have Takravasti in Grahani. Dadu Shaidilyam, Surasadi Ganavasti. Dadunam cha Shaidilyad, Pramegam. Dadu Asamagatvam, Sofam. Dadu Stiratvam, Unmadam. In Unmadam, mostly Vasti is not done. Vasti is contraindicated by some of the acharyas. Probably Unmadarogi will like autism. Autism, you want to do Shiro Vasti or Shirodhara. Will the fellow lie down? Matra Vasti is possible. Will you be able to ask him, after Vasti, go to the toilet, take bath and come? It's not possible. Likewise, in schizophrenia patient, cooperation may not be possible. So Unmadam, most of the Vastis are contraindicated. Some acharyas say Vasti is contraindicated. And Vasti with Majja is also contraindicated. You get a beautiful explanation in Chakrabani. And it prevents remission. Roganam agunar bhave. It prevents remission. So these are all the qualities. Immunological disorders. Madhureliga Vasti, autoimmune disorders, Ardhamatrikavasti, Chakradhatta, Vadaraktam, degenerative diseases, Kshiravasti. The treatment is made in a beautiful way. Our body is made up of 6 gunas. Repeatedly I am saying, many of you would have heard this. And the body is made up of 6 gunas. Sida Snigdam Agneyam is our health. Sida Snigdam Agneyam is Gridam. Sida Snigdam Agneyam is Vojas. Sida Snigdam Agneyam is Hemandarudu. It becomes Adishida Snigdam, that is Sishiram. Then Anagneyam starts. Adishida Snigdam becomes Ushna Snigdam. Ushna Snigdam is Vasandam. Vasandam is woman. Woman is Vasantarudu. Masham is Vasandam. That is why women are advised to take Ulundu for their Magadi Garbhava Krandi Garbhadanam. Men are asked to take milk because Dravya Samanyam, Guna Samanyam, Karma Samanyam is there. That is why the first day, night of the marriage, women carry milk to the Shanti Muhurtaru, because the girl studied Kaya Chikitsa MD. The boy is MD Rasasastra. You cannot, the first night, you cannot carry Taire, Takre, Gava, Mutre, Aranale, Kulattaje. This is not possible because Dravya Samanyam, Guna Samanyam, Karma Samanyam. What I wanted to say, this is not a joke, my dear students. I want to say, you visualize every activity around you in related to Vada Pitta Kapha. So Kshiravasti, the first rasa for Adura Rogi is Tikta. The best rasa of Adura is Tikta. The best rasa for Swastha is Madhura. In Vadarakta, treatment starts with Tikta and ends with Madhura. It starts with Gududi, ends with Sadavari. So Sadavari is again beautiful. One fellow asked me, what is the Uvadadu for rasa? Stanyam and Arthavam. He asked me, why there is no Uvadadu for men? I told there is another answer for that, we will discuss it. So, Stanyam and Arthavam, in modern medicine, if somebody is lactating, there will not be periods. If there is periods, there will not be lactating. The medicine which works on lactating is different. The medicine which works on periods is different. Progesterone, estrogen. Progesterone is Kapha Pitta hormone in the Arthava Dhatu Agni in the Arthava Dhatu. Estrogen is Pitta Kapha hormone in the Arthava Dhatu Agni in the Arthava Dhatu. So coming to that, the Tikta Rasam, so Vasantarudu is woman. Vasantarudu is Ushna Snigdam. Ushna Snigdam is Avishanti. Masham is Avishanti. Tailam is Avishanti. Matsyam is Avishanti. That is why Matsyam is contraindicated in many diseases. Mean is Chapadalama. Saiva Chapadalan Chapadanamaya. Vera Undan Jabada Pradi. Mean is Chapadalama. Mean Marathala Vadaja Chavada. Chetty Kodigala Kadakima. Apo Aushadamna Yenana. Avasad Vayu, Vayo Rakniki, Agner Abaga, Abba Pradivi, Tasmad Washadega, Washadebyo Annam, Annad Purushaga, Annam Pranamayam. So, Washadebyo Annam, Chedi Kodigal Irundan Sabade. Chedi Kodigal Irundan Sabade. Upon non-vegetarianism, sex, wine, and non-vegetarianism are not prohibited in Ayurveda. They are restricted and regulated. இதுல பன்னி மாம்சமும் சொல்லி இருக்கு, பசு மாம்சமும் சொல்லி இருக்கு. எடுத்து பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். நம்ம அதெல்லாம் சாப்பிடாதனால நமக்கு அதை பத்தி தெரியல. மெட்டபாலிக் டிசார்டர்ஸ் சுரசாதி கணவஸ்தி. So metabolic disorders கபித்த ஜம்பு பலசார பக்ஷிதம். பகவானுக்கு விக்னேஸ்வரருக்கு நம்ம என்ன கொடுக்கிறோம்? கபித்தம் and ஜம்பு. They are having very low glycemic index. So low glycemic index. What is glycemic index in Ayurveda? Anybody? Guru Avadarpanam. Guru Avadarpanam means low glycemic index. Conductadalai. Vayar nerambu sugar kuda. So endocrine disorders. Padmagadi Ganavasti. Enappa. So you have 6 gunas. So Sida Snigdam, Adishida Snigdam, Ushna Snigdam, Ushna Ruksham, Sida Ruksham, Ushna Tikshnam, Sida Snigdam, Hemandam, Adishida Snigdam, Sishiram, Ushna Snigdam, Vasandam, Ushna Ruksham Grishmam, Shida Ruksham Varsham, Ushna Tikshnam Sharad. Vadam is Shidam, Kafam is Shidam, Vadam is Avadarpana Shidam, Kafam is Sandarpana Shidam, Pittam is Lagu, Vadam is Lagu, Pittam is Ushna Lagu, Vadam is Shida Lagu, Pittam is Snigdam, Kafam is Snigdam, Pittam is Ushna Snigdam, Kafam is Shida Snigdam, Vadam is Chalam, Pittam is Saram, Chalam is Amurtam, Saram is Murtam, Chalam Chale Vade, Chale Chittam, Nischale, Nischalam Baved, Asamsayam Ki Mahabaho, Mano, Durnigraham Chalam, all these things are there. So these 6 gunas happen in the body in the 6 hours, 4 into 6 into 4, 24 hours. Every 4 hours, the guna changes within your body in the cyclic consciousness. You have the Shat Chakras. Shat Chakras, Arubadai Vidu, Muruganuka Arubadai Viduna, Arubadai Viduna, Arubadai Vidu, Velila Vanda Arubadai Vidu. Apo Ulla enna Arubadai Vidu, Muradaram, Swadishtanam, Maniburagam, Anagadam, Visuddhi Agnya. Ida Arubadai Vidu. Ida Pingalamna enna, Adam Valli Devayana enna. Apo Valli Devayana, Apo Kundalini, Kula Kundalini yarenna. Adam Mayura Duni, Kukuda Duni. Apo Agnya Sakrathukku naduvula Su Brahmanyaha. அதுதான் இந்த ஆக்ஞா சக்கரம். ஆக்ஞா சக்கராந்த நிலையா. அப்போ இதெல்லாம் symbolic. Hinduism is full of symbolic. You cannot criticize because you do not know. Brahmanam is Guru Guna, Langanam is Lagu Guna, Stambanam is Shida Guna. Stambanam vere, Grahi vere. Grahi Kadurasam, Stambanam Kashaya Rasam, Grahi Ushna Viryam, Stambanam Shida Viryam, Ashtachurnam Grahi, Pushyanagam Chambanam. Ashtachurnam given in irritable bowel syndrome. Tanni. Pushyanagam given in dysfunctional uterine bleeding. Swedanam, Ushna Gunam. Sneganam, Snigdha Gunam. Snegam is everything. Snega Saroyam Purushaga. Pranasya Snega Bhuyishta. Snega Sadhyasya Bhavanti. Rasam Pittam Snegam. Kafam Snegam. Rasam Snegam. Raktam Snegam. Mamsam Snegam. Maheda Snegam, Majja Snegam, Shukram Snegam, Artavam Snegam, all Snegam except Asti. Urdanage love letter edina Snegamulla Kavidavukku enna ezhudha mudiyum. Rukshamulla Kavidavukku edina apra Snikalinkane idi poidum. So இந்த 6 குணத்தையும் வெச்சிட்டான் சரகர். நல்ல தண்ணி தானே. 6 குணத்தை வச்சுதான் சரகர் ஷட்வித உபக்ரமம். The ஷட்வித உபக்ரமம் is possible by Vasti, Brahmanam, Langanam, Sambanam. Before doing Vasti, Swedanam, Sneganam, Rukshanam, Rukshavasti. So ஷட்வித உபக்ரமம் and Vasti. Now என்னப்பா வரமாட்டாங்கிறது. பஞ்சசோதனம், வமனம், விரேஜனம், நிரூகபஸ்தி, நஸ்யம். Vamanam is for Kafam. Virejanam, Tridosham. Nasyam, independent Kriya for head, separate. Vasti, anything you is possible by Vasti. And Siravedam. Pancha Karmam, Vamanam, Virejanam, Astavanam, Anuvasanam, Nasyam. So now we will come to the nomenclature. Vas Ashadane, that which covers the medicine. Previously, bladder of animals were used as enema, can to hold the medicine to be introduced into the rectum. In Uttaravasti, medicine reaches the bladder. So it is called Vasti. So Gudam is important. It's a marma. Sringadagan Yadipati Sangha Vandashira Gudam. Hridayam Vastina Bija. Gnanti Sadhyav Varanidu. Vasti, Vadapradhani Sadyapranakaramarmam. Hridayam, Pittapradhani Sadyapranakaramarmam. Shiras, Kapapradhani Sadyapranakaramarmam. Adan Sarakar, Trimarmiya Siddhi. Trimarmiya Siddhi. Gudam. That is why I tell my students, do per rectum examination always. Don't hesitate. If you hesitate to put your finger, then you may have to put your head into that. So always do per rectal examination. When I was a student, I am very much interested in cardiology. So in the left lateral position, I was inserting the nozzle. The nozzle was not going. There was a block. So I asked a junior student to bring the stethoscope. I auscultated. In the apex area, I didn't get any sound. I found dextrocardia, the apex in the right side. That is dextrocardia inversus totalis. This fellow's heart is on the right side. So we put him on the right lateral position and did Vasti. That is one of the experience. I will share experience, lot of experiences. Mamsamarmam, Susuda. See, among acharyas there are differences of opinion. Acharyas vary. Susuda tells, oh, you will reading the Pramega. One man is telling Vasti, another one is telling Vasti Mukha. And Kleda, Udaga, what is the difference? All these things are there. And Mamsamarmam, anatomical structure involving the mazim. Damani Marmam, anatomical structure involving the artery. Injury to the rectal area can produce fecal incontinence and vasovagal shock. That is why you make Vasti a pleasurable experience. Salom by Dabal Kudiruma, Kuti Kirichiratamai, Wo Chatambote, Abaranambo, Namabasangalam well trained, and the Maridum Maradile, College of Padikimbo on the and I hear it to Undan Deriadi. Anara Vasti share the open heart surgery. When we were doing Vasti, people, my mother used to tell, Mahadevan, you are going to do Vasti, because my mother living in a village, she thought her son is going to do Vasti. She thought I am going to keep a stent or a open heart surgery or a electrophysiology ablation. She tells me, take Bonvita or Boost and go, as if I am going to do a big surgery. Now everybody is doing Vasti like petrol bunk, diesel and petrol. You have Snegavasti and Anuvasani, right and left people are doing. But there are so many minute points in Vasti that only an experienced person can say. It is made up of, Budam is made up of two sphincters, Pravahini, Visarjani, Samharini, Udoshtam, 4.5 angulas, controlled by ring-like muscles that physiologically maintain constriction of anus, because in Arshas, Panjavadam, Panjavittam, Panjakafam are involved. Then you may ask me, Saragadi didn't talk about Panjakafam, Saragadi didn't talk about Panjavittam, Susruda only talk. So what? At least Susruda talk. The upper and middle and lower area of anal canal is supplied by terminal branches of hemorrhoidal artery, the middle rectal artery, inferior rectal artery. Anal canal is surrounded by a network of external hemorrhoidal plexus of veins, internal hemorrhoidal plexus of veins that drain into portal system of veins, systemic circulation and portal circulation. We will be talking in the mode of absorption of Vasti. The involuntary internal anal sphincter is the lowermost continuation of the inner circular muscle layer of the rectum. The anus has a relatively high concentration of nerve endings and is the high sensitive zone and sensitive to pain. Pichangudal Chikichangara. Na eduthu reference irukanu paathen. Charagathile 120 chapter la 46 chapter Panchakarma chapter. Ennatha solradhu? Oru vaartha irundha poruma? Shastram visteeranama vendama? Niruga Vasti. இதுதான் நிருக வஸ்தி. இது வந்து பிளாஸ்டிக் டபுள் ஷீட்டட் பிளாஸ்டிக் பேக் அனிமல்ஸுக்கு பதில் நம்ம கொடுக்குறோம். அந்த கேன்ல கொடுத்தா there is no pressure. இந்த வஸ்தி காணிச்சா தெரியுமா? இப்படி காணிச்சா ஊருமா? இதுதான் வஸ்தி. There should be a tip should be closed. Otherwise, while inserting, you should not forget to remove this. Otherwise, this will also go. You will go give pressure. Don't forget to remove this cotton. I have written in my textbook. So this is Vasti Pudaga. Some advertisement they have written. You can make your own company advertisement. So Vasti bag with advertisement you can make. Next. Now I am going to show you various Vasti Netra. Anuvasana Vasti Netra. This is Anuvasana Vasti Netra. And this is another Vasti Netra for Anuvasanam, Madhyama Matra. This is sterilizable Vasti Netra. Neonatal Vasti. This is another Vasti Netra, Anuvasanam. And you see this neonatal Vasti, neonatal Vasti, small Vasti. One day I went to a seminar. Oh, same fellow from Pune used to invite me for seminar. When first they called me for neurology seminar. Then they presented a brain. Next time they called for thyroid seminar. They presented a statue of thyroid. Next seminar next year was pulmonology. They presented lungs. Next seminar kidney. They gave small infantile kidney, small kidney as memento. The memento small kidney. Next seminar they asked reproductive system and infertility. I told I will not come. You should change the memento. This reproductive system you will be giving something else and there will be a quarrel in the house. So this Vasti Netra, this is infantile. The infantile kidney I remembered. So some other people tell so many unique things. One person came to me and told, I have severe itching in kidney. How can you have itching in kidney? So I kept the hand here in the L1 area. Do you have itching here? No, in the kidney. So people have different ideas about kidney. So likewise our acharyas, they have different ideas about different things. And conventional Vasti Netras, you see all these. And one fellow from Nagaland came to me. He was my Shishya. And after studying, he went to Nagaland and started the practice. He wrote a letter to me. My dear Guruji, I am touched by your classes. Santosh. Kindly send me 2 Virechana Yantras. He told me, Virechana Yantras. I told him, there is no yantra for Virechana as far as I know. You only think you have to sit. Utkadasanam, you have to sit, that is the yantra. And Virechana will happen automatically. No, Guruji, you must send with your blessings. With my blessings, that's important. Virechana yantra. Then that fellow sent 500 rupees money order also. And what will you do? Vasti yantra already you have. So I bought a bucket and a mug and sent it to him as Virechana yantra. So people at that time Vasti was different. One fellow came from Meghalaya and he was standing. He saw this netra. Where is the netra? He saw this netra. Immediately after seeing the netra, he kept it in the mouth. I asked him why. He told it is saxophone. I am a saxophone player. He told he is a saxophone player. I told him, Madhyane Kinjidavarte, 11 o'clock you come to the ward. We will show you how we play saxophone. When we showed this Vasti, that fellow 3 o'clock left to Meghalaya. So Vasti has given me so many joyful experience. One day I and Sheikh Farid took Vasti to Calcutta in the handbag. This metal produced sound. It produced beep, 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 beep sound. All the police came, everybody came. They took this. What is this? It looks like AK-47. I said, sir, it is not AK-47. We don't know how to bomb. Then I told Sheikh, you lie down in the left lateral position. They don't understand. So this is the, then they throw it away. Then we went to the class without Vasti Netra and we did only theoretical class. We couldn't do any practical demo. So these are all the various Vastis what we use in our hospital. You can buy it from laboratory supply. Rich people, you can throw it, use and throw it. And Vasti Adhishtana Vedam. sight. Dravya Vedam, Takravasti, Tairavasti. Sankhya Vedam, Karmavasti, Kalavasti, Yogavasti. Matra Vedam, Snegavasti, Uttama Matra, 300 ml. Madhyama Matra, 150 ml. Hina Matra, Matravasti, 75 ml. Pakvasaya Gadavasti, Anorectal. Garbhasaya Gadavasti, vaginal, intra. You see this? This is Alabu. Alabu. You do cupping here, cut down, blood will come. You keep and it will suck. Alabu. Shrinkam is not in practice. This is Alabu. Alabu. You see this? Beautiful. God, Yerkai, nature. Kuduvai. It is called Kuduvai. Surat Kuduvai. முன்னாடிலாம் விபூதியே அந்த இதில் தான் போட்டு வைப்பாங்க. மூத்ராசயவஸ்தி, யூரித்ரல், விரணவஸ்தி, ஊண்டு கிளீனிங். ஆஸ்தாவனம், இது ஒரு பெரிய சூத்திரம். இது ஆயு ஸ்தாபனம், இது ஆஸ்தாவனம். அப்ப கேட்டான் வேதனாஸ்தாபன கணம். வேதனாஸ்தாபனம், இது வேதனாஸ்தாபனம். Vedanana pain. To sustain the pain, do you have a gana? என்னையா இது? வேதனையை நிலைநிறுத்துவதற்கு வேதனாஸ்தாபனம் என்று பெயர். வேதனையை நிலைநிறுத்துவதற்கு ஒரு கணமா? அப்படி இல்ல. கங்காதரன் ஜல்ப கல்பதருல சொல்றார், வேதனாத்து ஸ்பர்ஷாஜ்ஞானம் இத்யர்த்தஹா. வேதனைனா சென்சேஷன் அர்த்தம், பெயின் அர்த்தம் இல்லை. நிறைய இருக்கு. போஸ்டீரியர் காலத்துல எவ்வளவு இருக்கு. நிரூகம் ஆயுகு ஸ்தாபனமிதி, வாதபித்த கபஸ்தாபனமிதி. It will sustain vada, pitta, kapha in its seat. That is why it is called astabana. You can see this in Vangasena. And nirugam, ஒரு ஊர்ல ஒரு புக் இருந்திருக்கு. பெங்கால் வங்கசேனா, தமிழ்நாடு பதார்த்த குணத்தின் விளக்கம், and கேரளா சகஸ்ரயோகம், ஆரோக்கிய ரக்ஷா கல்பத்ருமம், கர்நாடகா கல்யாணகாரகம், ஆந்திர பிரதேஷ் பசவராஜீயம், மகாராஷ்டிரா சக்கரதத்தம், அண்ட் மத்திய பிரதேஷ் சரகதர சம்ஹிதா. ஒரு ஊர்ல எழுதி வச்சிருக்காங்க. இப்போ சிவன் டமரு அடிச்சார். டமரு ஐயனு ரிலுக்கு ஹே ஓங் ஹய வரடு இது மாகேஸ்வராணி சூத்ராணி. அதுல ஒரு அக்ஷரம் fell down in one place. So these various aksharas fell down. So this karnahada golaha, karnahadagam, Karnataka is called Karnahadagam. Adan Karnataka. It looks like the ear of Shiva. Karnahada gola. La fell down at Karnataka. Bengaluru, Elidare, Bisibelagoli, Sravana Belagula, la ma. அப்புறம் ஆந்திரால டூ போய் விழுந்தது. ஆந்திரால ராமுடு, கிருஷ்ணடு, கோவிந்தராஜுடு, டூ 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 டூ. மல்லிகார்ஜுனன், மத்தியார்ஜுன், லிங்கத்ரயோ டூ. லிங்கத்ரய கஷேத்திரம்னு பேரு ஆந்திராக்கு. மல்லிகார்ஜுனன், மத்தியார்ஜுனன், ஸ்புடார்ஜுனன். அர்ஜுனன்னா மருது. In Ishandi Mangalam near Nagargovil, there is a Arjuna tree called Tolgapiam, which is 600 years old. I am seeing, my father has seen, my grandfather seen, my grandfather's father seen, his father seen. They all have gone. But Arjuna is standing as a witness. Saityaha, Charagam says. So, do, Lingatrayo, do. அப்புறம் தமிழ்நாட்டில் திராவிடஸ்ய ஹீன ஷா. இந்த ஷா ஹீனமாயி ழான்னு விழுந்தது தமிழ்நாட்டில். ழா சமஸ்கிருதத்துல ழா கிடையாது. குழந்தை வாழைப்பழம் வேண்டும் என்று அழ, கிழவன் வாழை மரம் ஏறி வழுவழுத்து கீழே விழுந்தான். ழகாரம். தமிழங்கிறானே சொல்லுங்க, பழம் போயிடும். சோ நிரூகம் அது நமக்கு தேவையில்லை. நிரூகம் ஊகம் பண்ண முடியாது. Because unpredictable therapeutic potency and capable of eradicating the morbid factors. Anuvasanam, Anudinam Pradivasanam. It can be given every day. It can be given after food, even if it does not come out after 3 yamas, 9 hours. It will not disturb this Atmyada, homeostasis. So 1 hour we have talked. Just I have entered into the Vasti. Real Vasti tomorrow. So with that 1 hour, I conclude the class and open it for discussion. Dr. Hema, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm there, sir.
Yeah. If there is any question, we will answer and we will continue tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Sir, for Kshiravasti, what kind of Kshira can be used and what quantity, sir?
Kshiravasti, Kshirad Dau Prasurdau Karyau, 200 ml Kshiram, up to 400 practically we can use. Ghost Kshiram we can use. And other Kshiram is also told in the text, but cow's milk only commonly used.
Okay, sir. Sir, for neonatal Vasti, what are the indications, sir? You told neonatal Vasti. You showed me this neonatal yantra, no, sir?
Neonatal yantra, neonatal dosage is 25 ml. Congenital constipation, because Virechanam is contraindicated before the age of 10 and after the age of 70. But Vasti is not contraindicated. Ajanma Maranam Dada. So this is the Virechana Yandra. 25 ml Vasti, it is available and you can fill it with the Dhanvantara Dailam and insert it in stricture colon, constipation colon. You can give this. And when the patient is unable to take Medhya Dravyas, the Samyak Snigdha Lakshanam of Snega Banam and Snega Vasti are one and same. You should understand that. The Samyak Snigdha Lakshanam of Snega Banam and Snega Vasti is same. Suppose in autism children, Medhya Snega Banam, if you are unable to give, if you 25 ml Brahmi Gridam, you can insert to do this. Because Dhatu Agni is present everywhere.
Okay, sir. Sir, Vayu Stapana, Astapana. But it is in Udavartam. Why Niruhavasti is indicated and not Astapana?
No. In Udavartam, Vada Kafajam, Pippalyadi Anuvasanam is first indicated. You refer Ashtanga Hridayam, Arsho Chikitsa. Pippalyadi Anuvasanam is indicated in Udavarta Avastha in Arsho Prakaranam. Then only Nirubham comes.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you explain Samsarga Dosha?
We are going to talk about it tomorrow. Dosha itself we have not talked.
Sir, can you explain Malapaka and Malapachana?
Malapachana is Amapachana in Mala. Malapakam is like Dhadupakam, like in Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, inflammatory bowel disease. Malapakam, Pittam, Vidaktam, Sogunaihi, Vidahatyas Shonidam. Same concept happens in the Mala. Pitta Vidakta in the Mala is Malapaka.
Okay, sir. Sir, in naturopathy, they just use lukewarm Vasti. Is that right?
According to naturopathy, it is correct. According to Ayurveda, Ushna Jala Vasti is not told. But only when Anuvasanam doesn't come out, Dhanyamala Vasti, Ushna Jala Vasti, not Ushna Jala Vasti, Dhanyamala Vasti with Kamugam is told in Bangasena Samhita for Anuvasana Vasti Vyavat.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you repeat the portion Dhatu Paka and Dhatu Shitila?
There are various types of Dhadu Dushti. Dhadu Vritti, Dhadu Kshayam, Dhadu Pagam, Dhadu Dushti, Dhadu Saidilyam, Dhadu Asamahatvam, Dhadu Sthiratvam. First Dhadu Vritti, that is obesity, Staulyam, Dhadu Vritti. Then Dhadu Kshayam, Adivyavayine Vyabhikshine Redasya Nandaraha, Kshiyande Dadavaha Sarve Dada, Sushyadi Manavaha. That is Radhayashma, Dhadu Kshayam. Then Dhadu Pagam, autoimmunity. Pittam, Vidaktam, Sogunaihi, Vidagatyas Sonidam, Raktavitam. Then Dhadu Dushti, Vriddikshayatmakaha grahani. Then Dadu Shaidilyam, disintegration of muscle protein, Pramegam, Pandu. Then Dadu Asamahatvam, Sofam. Then Dadu Stiratvam, Unmada Nivritti Lakshana.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you explain Dhatu Paka Lakshanas and diseases?
Tomorrow we will do that. Autoimmunity is a separate chapter.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you repeat the guna in each Ritu, sir?
Hemanta Rudu Shida Snigdam, Shishira Rudu Adishida Snigdam, Vasanta Rudu Ushna Snigdam, Grishma Rudu Ushna Ruksham, Varsha Rudu Shida Ruksham, Sharad Rudu Ushna Tikshnam, Shida Snigdam Amam is Jara Jigissa, Shida Snigdam first Rudu, last Rudu is Sharad Rudu, Ushna Tishna, the last chapter is Vadaretta. Ushna Shida Snigdha first guna Jara Jigissa, Ushna Tishna last guna Vadarakta Jigissa, with Vadarakta the Dosha Jigissa ends. After Vadarakta, Dadu Jigissa starts Lado Bayogi Shastanam. Doshadinam Rasayanam is not told. Lado Bayogi Shastanam. Rasadinam Rasayanam is told.
Okay, sir. Sir. I think questions are still there are no questions, sir.
We will continue tomorrow.
I think, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I think it's like a multiplication table, sir, when you're saying. I'm really astonished to hear it, sir. Even we have to learn like you, sir. I am just inspired by your learning, sir. I have to learn like this so that we will also be able to say top to bottom, bottom to right, right to left, whatever way you are able to say. It is very, very good to see you speak, sir. It was a very different class, sir, today.
Sindhu, thank you very much. Hema Subhashini, I have been observing you. You are wonderful. Ilanjelian sir, Roshi madam, thanks for the hospitality, love and affection. Thank you all. I am very happy to be with you. I am very happy today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Pranam, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.